Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make metal oval image in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document. Firstly, for now image from the insert. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the picture option. Then insert picture. Now for insert option. This then show the insert from the picture. This picture is the metal oval image. Now going to the format option. Now click for the picture style option. Now click for the metal oval image option. Let's open. Then we show the make metal oval image in Microsoft Excel. It's very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.